semi-self-guided tour that can be arranged freely. The tour guide on the bus to Lucerne will introduce the attractions along the way in Switzerland. Arrive at Lucerne at about noon and start the self-guided tour. Stay in Lucerne for about 6 hours, of which Bürgenstock takes about an hour to and from the boat, and the bus gets off. The meeting point is near the train station in Chapel Bridge, and it takes about 10 minutes to walk to Pier 3 for the boat. The boat ticket and the cable car ticket are exchanged with the crew when boarding the boat, saving the time of queuing up to buy tickets. The 30-minute boat ride can fully appreciate the mountains and waters of Lake Lucerne. The time of the boat trip and the cable car are well matched. When the boat arrives on the shore, you can take the cable car to the top of Bürgenstock mountain to overlook the entire lake area. It is very beautiful when the weather is fine. It takes about an hour and a half to walk back and forth to Hamach van Lift. If you go, you may pay attention to the time of the cable car going down the mountain. The cable car runs every hour. There are few shelters on the mountain. You may need to pay attention to the sun when you go at noon. The hotel and restaurants on the mountain are not cheap, but they have the best view of the lake area. It is suitable for traveling with elders. The Dying Lion is currently under partial renovation. In this itinerary, there is a cruise ship. The cruise ship is very special. The scenery on both sides of the river is beautiful. There is also a cable car up the mountain to play, and the scenery on the mountain is even more beautiful.